be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water.
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window.
Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the fire hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose.
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. Move the red switch to raise the cutout.